With the increasing number of tiny houses, space-saving furniture is in demand now more than ever. Through the use of multipurpose furniture and some clever space-saving design, you'll be surprised at just how much space you can save, besides the plenty of uses that you can get from a single piece of furniture. And here we are with fantastic home design ideas with space-saving furniture. Children's bedroom storage ideas. Living in a tiny home with children can be difficult for both the kids and parents, so freeing up space for them to play and stretch out is useful for all. This kid's bedroom is split into 2 levels and hides the beds on the lower level. There are 2 beds on either side of the room that can be rolled out when it's time for sleep by pulling on the handles. When the beds are put away, the floor area goes from large to huge. There is also a great storage area under the stairs for storing toys, books, tools, or whatever you want to hide. On the upper level, there are 2 sliding wardrobes to store clothes. Plus, there is enough space for a desk on either side of the room. Wall-mounted desk. The wall-mounted desk model is one of the solutions to help you make good use of the empty wall space. Also, this amazing folding bed comes combined with a study table. It's a great space optimization solution, making the room neat, tidy, and fully equipped. Plus, this smart dining table comes combined with decorative cabinets. It's a multifunctional product that can be used for many different purposes, depending on your needs. Extendable work desk. This extendable desk might grab your attention if you have a small home or limited space in a room. Within seconds, you can pull out the internal desk and use the entire unit as a full workspace. Karup Designs. The dice chair is a simple, high-fashion space-saver piece of furniture that shows off your good sense and great taste. With just 3 quick adjustments, it converts into 2 beds that are perfect for overnight guests. Here is another product from the same company called Buckle Up. It is a Western-style futon that goes from elegant seating to functional guest accommodation. Also, this sofa bed is fabulously practical, strikingly stylish, and a great way to maximize living space. With an easy move, the armrest unhooks and converts the sofa into a bed for 2. Terrassen pool cover. The best advantage of having an indoor swimming pool is that you can enjoy it anytime throughout the year. This pool cover is an ingenious solution to have an indoor pool without sacrificing interior space. Children's bedroom design. A kid's bedroom is their area to play, create, relax, and study. It's a do-it-all space for the youngest members of the household, so it's right that these spaces demand perhaps the biggest creative input when it comes to room design. Sofa cum bed. After a good night's sleep, you can effortlessly transform your guest room or bedroom into a living room again. The built-in storage under the sofa is easy to access and spacious enough to store bedding, books, and more. Entertainment Center Murphy Bed. Murphy beds are the perfect piece of furniture when you lack space. They can make any small bedroom look big. The best Murphy beds come with additional features like a sofa or a desk attached to the bed. For example, this bed comes integrated with a TV on the face of the bed and a shelving unit. Portable folding table. Folding tables are super functional in a variety of different situations. They're perfect when you're short on space. This folding table is excellent for a multifunctional or small space. For example, a living room that serves as a dining area. Furthermore, this folding table is also portable, which makes it perfect for outdoor gatherings and picnics. The ELLY armchair. The ELLY armchair can transform from a chair into a bed in seconds. It is made based on a metal structure, which can give the backrest 5 positions, vertical sitting, 3 additional relaxed positions, and a lying position.